Look at this cool cleaning machine. But wait, there's a passenger.
Meow.
Just look at this determined explorer. He looks like a boss in a luxury car. This is the best ride ever. Last week, Nick bought a smart vacuum. He didn't know it would adopt a kitten. Let's go back a few days. The night the robot arrived. Look at this beauty. I'm a tech genius. Let me introduce you to the RoboVac 3000. It's the newest generation. It has high-level AI and anti-crash sensors. It can scan the room automatically. The sensors are crazy fast, you wouldn't believe it.
You sound like you're introducing a new family member.
Because it is a new family member. We have to treat it with respect. It'll change our lives.
He loves machines more than me. Boys and their toys.
Starting the engine, Zoe. Beep, beep, beep.
Look how smoothly it moves. This is a masterpiece. It's gonna clean everything tonight. The floor will be super clean tomorrow.
Technology is like magic.
Okay, Mr. Scientist, time for bed.
The next morning was beautiful.
Beep, beep. Meow. Purr, purr.
What's that noise? A vacuum doesn't meow. I need more sleep. Let's see what's going on. Am I dreaming? What in the world is that? Oops, careful with the coffee. I can't believe my eyes.
The window was left open. And there was an uninvited guest.
Meow. Beep, beep.
He looks so comfortable. This is hilarious.
I have to call Nick. He won't believe this. Nick, come out here right now. You have to see this.
What's wrong? Is there a fire? Why are you screaming? What on earth is that? A cat? Are my eyes working?
Yes, they're working perfectly. And it's sitting on your new family member. Haha, this is too funny.
Don't bother me, humans. I'm enjoying my ride. Get off my expensive machine. I'm gonna catch you right now. Hey, come back here.
Beep, beep! Stop moving, you stupid machine!
Beep. Danger. Beep. Ugh, I missed again.
Oh my God, the robot is protecting the cat. They're best friends, Zoe.
Robots don't have feelings. It's just the obstacle avoidance mode. Don't go under the table.
Meow. This is so much fun. Faster, my robot horse.
Well, your obstacle mode works too well. You can't even catch it.
Gotcha! Oh wait, comb! This is exhausting. Look at that big funny human. He's trying to play with us.
I give up. The machine wins this time.
Finally, you stopped.
I need to catch my breath.
Here it comes. I'll try a different way.
Come here, little guy. I won't hurt you. Are those hands safe? He looks friendly now.
Ow, look at him. He's coming to you.
Good robot, stay there.
You're so small and fluffy. Where did you come from? Well, hello to you too.
I made some warm milk. He must be very hungry.
Yummy, this is delicious.
Drink slowly, little baby.
He definitely came through that open window. It was cold last night, so he needed a warm place.
And he chose my expensive vacuum as a taxi. He has good taste.
Clearly, we're meant to be together. It's destiny.
He drinks so fast.
He's almost done. Meow, thank you. Oh my God, look at those eyes.
We can't keep him. We're too busy for a pet.
Sure, Nick. Keep telling yourself that.
I mean it, our house isn't suitable for an animal like him.
Oh. Oh. What are you doing? He's so soft. I told you. All right, fine. We'll keep him.
Ha ha ha! I knew it!
What should we name him? Let me think. Let's call him Dusty, because the vacuum adopted him.
A few days later, life became much more interesting.
Zzz, meow. Dusty always waits for his buddy.
I spent a lot of money on a vacuum cleaner. Now it's an official cat taxi.
Make way for the king! Nick really loves his smart robot. But the robot loves Dusty more.
This is so unfair. I'm betrayed by my own tech.
Meow.
Do you have pets at home? Have they ever done something this funny? Tell us your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adorable video.
At the end of the day, everyone needs to rest.
And so, under the soft glow of technology, our tiny friend finds comfort, his sleep as peaceful as the blinking light beside him.